Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cori, also known as QoriFaces. In today's video, I'm just going to be reviewing a couple of things. If you've already seen the title of the video, then you probably know that it's a haul. I've just really wanted to try this one size powder as well as these Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. I did get the Niacinamide Evolution powder as well, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that because I want to try the Patrick Star powder first. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. I am gonna just do the eyes first, so that's not gonna be included in this video. I do apologize, but I will do my face, so just keep on watching. Alright guys, as you can see, I've already done my eyes, so now I'm just gonna go in with this Glow Recipe Watermelon. Oh my god, it's such a long word. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I am just gonna put it in my hand and go from here. I heard this was a really good moisturizer. My friend Kylie is who recommended it to me, and yeah. But I've been seeing a lot of people use it in general. Like I think I saw Patrick Ta use it as well. It feels really fucking good. I love how this feels. It's a very how do I explain it? Like, I don't know how to explain it. I feel like you don't need a lot too, which is really good considering it is like 30 something bucks. Which isn't a lot, but you don't really get that much. How many ounces is this? Wait. Give me 1 second. Wait, oh my god, what did I do with the box? I just had the fucking box, like. Oh my god, it's over there. I'm not going over there. So I will just put the ounces in the description so you all know how many ounces it is. But yeah, my skin looks good. Love that. Cute. I like that. Next, we have this Secure the Blur one size makeup magnet primer. I'm just gonna put in that. I've been seeing like Patrick Ta, because you know they all hang out together, whatever the case may be. But I really like when I watched Patrick's video of Ariel using this on Patrick. I thought Patrick's makeup looked stunning, so I'm going to try this out and let's see what it gives, you know. This does, well, I know this does claim that it's supposed to just like be very blurring, and like from the videos that I've watched, it does seem to be extremely blurring, so yeah. Let's go shake her up real quick. Actually, I'm just gonna apply it to my face like this. Oh, cute. I thought it was gonna be like really weird. Cute. Ready? Now let's just rub this in. Well, I mean, let me see if I look blurred. Yeah, like even on the monitor, I look really blurred. So I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I hope it holds up, you know. We're going to prime. You know what? No, I am gonna do my face and then I'm gonna come back when I get to the powder. Okay, so actually I lied. I have something to say because I blended out my corrector and already I can tell that it blended out really nice, like on top of that primer. So with that being said, I'm actually just gonna go ahead, because I do set my face before I like apply foundation and everything too, so I might as well just use the powder now. So I'm using the shade Translucent, so let's just open her up.
$2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Oh, bitch. I can already tell that my makeup is about to be so fucking good. Like, yeah, I really like this. But I mean, of course, like Patrick's makeup is very, like he said previous times, like very full coverage. And this powder is just so smooth. I love that. And I'm a full coverage girl. Y'all already know. So, with that being said, like, it's just really about to give. So you guys, I'm all setted. So now I'm just gonna do my foundation or my like base routine. And then I'll be back when I get to setting my face. Alrighty guys, so if you're wondering, I am gonna go in first with the Fenty Honey Powder. Just for all over my face, and then I set underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna do that first. Except for obviously the center of my face. As you can see, I'm not touching that, because that's how I'm gonna put the other powder. And actually, I kind of just had a realization. I feel like if you layer the powders like this, because this is closer to like my skin tone. So like if you layer the powders like this one, since it's closer to my skin tone, the translucent one won't leave like a cast at all really. Even though I usually don't really have that problem. But if you do have that problem at all, I would recommend doing that. Going in with the powder that's closer to your skin tone first, and then going in with the translucent powder. That way, even if it does leave a cast, the powder underneath is kind of gonna like counteract that. So,
powder is everywhere, child. Thank you, baby. I need y'all to figure it out for me.
Now we're gonna go in with the one size powder. I am gonna just go back underneath my eyes to make sure everything is, you know, set. And now we're gonna take this powder. And I am gonna use a brush to go underneath my eyes. I don't understand how to... the little like the technology behind this, child, I'm kind of confused. Like I don't really understand how to do that, but maybe I'll just have to watch another one of Pat's videos to see how they do it, because I'm confused. But we're just gonna tap, 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 tap. Okay. This looks really good on camera. Wow. Wow. Looks really good on camera. Should I apply more? I'm just gonna take a powder on my nose, child. Just to, you know. There's this one brush I used the last time I did my makeup and now I cannot find it. This is the part where I usually contour my nose, but I am gonna use the Dermablend powder, just because I prefer that one, too. Like I'm not just gonna, like I use a whole bunch of powders as you can see, so, yeah. I'm just gonna finish my routine, then I'll be back to give y'all my overall thoughts. Alright guys, so my overall thoughts, yeah, I feel like the powder speaks for itself really, like, look, just look at me. Look at me, darling. Look at me, literally look at me. The primer I think is top tier. I think I'm gonna be using that, like that is a new staple. I'm sure I'll be using that almost every time I do my makeup now. Cause it just blurs everything, like everything just looks stunning. Like, and I'm a full coverage girl, that's what I will say. If you like full coverage, definitely get this primer. What else did I try? The Niacinamide drops, dew drops, whatever. Those are nice too. I will say, like, I don't know if I usually do it with my makeup because I go like really full coverage. So I think I need like a thicker moisturizer. But I still like how my skin looks. Like my skin doesn't look bad, but I just want something a little bit more moisturizing. If you like that no makeup look, I feel like this is definitely a good moisturizer, so I'm definitely gonna use it on like clients more so than like, you know, for my makeup purposes. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you tried this primer, powder, and the moisturizer, please let me know your thoughts on the products as well. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what else y'all would like to see, and I will see you all in my next video.